Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula for this integration in here. So if we look carefully about this one, coefficient of x, that is about number 1. So we see that a equals to number 1, b equals to number 4, c equal to 5 over 2. And now we apply the formula in here, and we have like this. So we put number 6 gone here. Now we put number 1 gone here. B, that is about number 4. C, that is about 5 over 2. So this one we have 7 over 2. And this one, if we calculate, we have 7 over 2. So number 6 divided by 7 over 2, that is about, so we have 12 over 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.